Example 2 says 3i, or tree I, times 1 minus 2i. Still going to use the distributive property, so I have tree I times 1 minus tree I times 2i. 3i times 1 is just 3i, minus 3 times 2 is 6, I times I is I squared. But remember, I squared equals negative 1. So this is minus 6 times negative 1. A negative times a negative is a positive. So this is actually tree I plus 6. But I need to write it with the real part first. So I need to switch the order of these, and I get 6 plus tree I. Okay? Complex number has to be written with the real part plus the real part first and then the imaginary part. That is a rule that I didn't make. The old ancient math people made it, and most of what they said back then is still true. So I believe it.